This year has been another huge year, and I've been kept busy on stage and in the media, helping corporate audiences and consumers alike understand the power of AI in business and society. I've travelled to 16 cities across 10 countries, delivering AI keynotes and workshops both in person and virtual, from London to Lisbon, Dubai to Darwin, and Birmingham to Baku. It's been an honour to work with major organisations like Shell, Vodafone, Fujifilm, the European Union, SAP Concur, Siemens Energy, and Dell Technologies, helping their teams navigate AI's impact on their industries. I've delivered keynotes on AI and cybersecurity, discussed leadership and the future of work in the age of AI, and addressed healthcare innovation at the prestigious Galien Forums in London and Warsaw. Across all these events, the audience reaction has been incredibly rewarding, with one organiser remarking how I transformed sceptical executives into enthusiastic adopters of AI before the first coffee break. At another corporate summit, every attendee left with a signed copy of my book Digitally Curious, now an international bestseller, to continue their AI journey. Beyond the stage, 2025 saw a surge in media invitations for me to comment on AI. I became a go-to expert on radio and TV. I've appeared on BBC Radio Nottingham, Bristol, Ulster, Wales, Scotland, and even the BBC World Service. And I've been invited back multiple times to update listeners on new AI developments. It wasn't all stages and studios. One of my most interesting engagements involved researching and developing a comprehensive report on the future of retail for Kingfisher, owner of home improvement brands B&Q and Screwfix. This was brought to life with a Store of the Future microsite and led me to represent the report live on the BBC. The constant theme of this year was making AI actionable, turning hype into practical takeaways. And it's been rewarding to see that message click with so many people. Looking into 2026, I'm sharpening my AI message further to help companies reimagine their processes in the age of AI and unlock the potential I've seen brewing since ChatGPT was launched over 3 years ago. I still have availability to help you and your teams kick off the new year with an impactful and actionable session on AI and how it can enhance your teams and your business. So please get in touch to secure your spot. Thank you for being part of this journey. I encourage you to all stay digitally curious and keep turning curiosity into capability.